Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl K Love and I am back with a new video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to floss with a permanent retainer. I know a couple of people have requested this video. I have a permanent retainer and I have an actual metal retainer that I pop in at the top of my teeth, and with a permanent retainer you have to wear it all the time. It's stuck on you for the rest of your life unless you get it removed. But why would you do that? Because the permanent retainer, honey, is like the best thing to ever have after you get your braces off. I'm going to show you guys what my permanent retainer looks like. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Subscribe. It is completely free. A lot of people have requested this video and never seen a permanent retainer. 2 videos that will help you understand the process of a permanent retainer, the cost, and all those goody stuff. Normally with the permanent retainer, you know, people feel like you might get side effects with flossing, and I'm gonna keep it real with you. It's the same way you floss your regular teeth. It's the same way you're gonna floss with the permanent retainer. You might feel some type of bleeding, you might feel some type of soreness, all of that stuff. It's pretty much the same. But just because you might get bleeding or soreness when you floss does not mean the permanent retainer is causing those problems. I try to floss as much as I can, but I am not perfect, so I don't floss on the regular. I floss, you know, from time to time. But it is very important to try to floss twice a day or once a day, as what we're told for adults. In today's video, you're going to need so you're gonna need some type of floss. I got this floss from the dollar store. Just some type of floss, and you're also going to need these things. I don't know exactly what they're called, but these are really old. But I got these from Target, and they were about $1.99. So you're going to need one of these, just one a day is good, and it looks like a loop. I don't know exactly what they're called, but they are in the section with the floss and all the dental hygiene stuff. And for a pack of like 100, they're like $1.99. If you go to Costco, they might be cheaper. You can get like a dozen, get like double or triple the quantity for a cheaper price. But I got these from Target for $1.99 because they do come with a lot in a pack. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I floss my teeth. You're gonna take the tip, the very tip, you're gonna stick it through. That's the retainer. You're gonna take the tip of the loop, the very tip, you guys. This is where my retainer starts, right here. So I'm gonna stick it to that first one. Like that. And you're just basically sticking it through each section of the retainer. Like, we're going to be focusing on this top part of your teeth, not the inside. You did the bottom already. Now we're going to do the top. Alright? So we're going to do that separate. You don't need the loop-de-loop for this part. You would just floss as if you was regularly flossing. You don't need the loop-de-loop thing. So you're just gonna floss normally. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. That is how I floss my teeth with a permanent retainer. I hope this video helps you out. And again, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or concerns about flossing or any tips on the permanent retainer, you can always check out my videos or leave a comment below, and I'll be sure to get back with you guys. I'm going to be doing a giveaway if my channel reaches 1K. So by the end of the year, I'm trying to aim to 1K. I'll be doing 3 giveaways for the winner. It will be a total of 3 winners for this giveaway. So please share my videos, like my videos, comment, just be a part of the love gang. And again, be bomb, be blessed, be better, but always be yourself, sis. And I see you loves in my next video. Bye, loves.